Hello Philippines and hello world. So now I'm gonna make a review about my Under Armour Hover Phantom 3, and this is a limited edition. Look at that, guys! Napakalinis ng tahi at tingnan mo yung ilalim niya. Naka-embossed pa si Under Armour. Yan, para rubberized ang ilalim niya para hindi siya madulas. Basically, they said that it's a running shoes, and they told me that running shoes is better if you will be using it as a walking shoes. So inside, you could see the Phantom board as well, and mukhang ang lambot ng loob, and pati sa likuran naka-emboss din si trademark ni Under Armour. Also here sa unahan, nandoon din. Ayan. Ganda. Sobrang bet ko to, guys. Pinili ko yung ganitong color kasi alam ko pwede sa pants, sa slacks, any color, it will match. Ayan, ang sinasabi ko kanina, naka-impose sa unahan si Under Armour. Let's check the other one. So, super kinis, super ganda din. Yes. Look at that, guys. So, para siyang silicone rubber, the one at the back, na may naka-emboss ng trademark ni Under Armour. And also, nung sinuot ko siya, parang hinuhold niya yung pako, guys. Ang lambot. And, ayan, ganda. I so love it.